create a magic floating fireball. Really hard. There you go. It melts away. Change color. Watch if I just...
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. In this week's book of tricks, I'm showing you magic with fire.
A secret now that only fire can tell.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Guess what we're doing today? Fire tricks.
Well, I'm not excited because you're saying it in a way where I get hurt, I think.
Not like that one.
Not like which one? Which one have we...
You remember which one? Oh, are you alright?
Yes. Just charred my hair. Okay, which one?
Okay, Ava, I have a cool trick to show you with this book of matches.
Okay.
Do me a favor, count the number of matches in the pack. How many are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to remove one of the matches from the pack, okay? See me take that match out? You hold it? Perfect. Okay, so remove that. There's now 9 left in the pack, right? So we close up the pack. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take this and watch, I'm gonna light it. Okay, see? We lit the match. And you hold the book of matches. Just like that, okay? Now look, I'm gonna take the match like this, the one we just lit, see it? Now watch, bring the matchbook up here a little bit so we can see, right there. Now I've got the match right here, see it? Watch the match. Look back in the book of matches. It disappears from my hands. It jumps into the book of matches. Count the number of matches in the matchbook. How many are in there? 10. 10 matches. You can see the match magically restored back into the pack. Isn't that crazy? Look at that.
How did that get in there?
Magic. Did you see it go? It jumped across? The only thing you need to pull this off is a book of paper matches just like this. You're going to remove all the matches until you have only 11 left in the pack. And you're going to do this prep before the trick starts. Take one of the matches and bend it out just like this, and then ignite it and immediately blow it out. Now, when you open the book of matches to show it to the audience for the first time, you're going to have this one folded back and hidden underneath your thumb, just like so. Now, you can show the audience the number of matches in the pack and have them count. We're going to take one of the matches and we're going to remove it from the pack. Now, when we close up the book of matches, we're going to secretly fold this one in, and it is taking the place of the 10th match that we just plucked out. We close this up, we take this match, we light it, blow it out. Now, the second part of this is making this match disappear. We're going to do that with this move right here. The match is sticking to the back of my finger because I licked the back of my finger with just a little bit of saliva. Now we get this wonderful illusion of just flicking the match at the book and it just completely disappears from view. So you can have them hold the book of matches and you say, watch, we're gonna try something. 1, 2, 3. Look, inside the book of matches, they open it up and they see that the match has somehow restored into the book of matches and it is still attached. And they can even count the number of matches. 10 matches still in the book. So they know it's not an extra match, even though it was. Okay, check this out. Really cool trick to show you. First things first, nothing in my hands whatsoever, as you can see. I also have a dollar bill right here on the table, so that's going to come into play in just a second. I also have a candle right here and a box of matches. So check this out. I'm going to remove a match from the box, just like this, one single match. Close up the box, and we're going to strike the match right here. There we go. I'm going to set the box of matches aside while I light the candle. So light up the candle, just like this. And now I'm going to extinguish the match because we no longer need it. So I'm going to take the dollar bill and crumple it up into a ball, just like this. Okay. Now watch what happens when I touch the dollar bill to the candle's flame. This is crazy. Look. It turns into a $100 bill. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. All you need to pull this off is a real $100 bill and a fake flash paper bill. That's a bill that looks normal, but it's actually made out of flash paper. as you can see. Before the trick starts, crumple up the $100 bill, take your box of matches and extend the drawer out like this. On the back of the matchbox, you're going to hide the $100 bill crumpled up inside, just like that. Now during the performance, when I take out a match and I close up the box, it's actually pushing the $100 bill out into my hand, just like that. That way, at the beginning of the trick, I can show my hands empty, and then I secretly load the $100 bill into my hand. Then all I do is show the fake 20 or the $1 bill, and I crumple it up around the 100. Now the audience doesn't know that the real $100 bill is hidden inside, so when I light it on fire, the flash bill burns off and leaves only the real money inside. And it looks like the fire just magically multiplied the money. Okay, really cool trick to show you with this little gadget right here. So this is a little clear tube. As you can see, it's completely empty. Go ahead and check that out. Okay. And there's a little piston right here. Little plunger.
Wow.
Yeah. So we also have a little cotton ball right here.
So there's a plunger?
Yeah, it's a little plunger piece that goes right down like this, right? Okay, so do you think we can create fire without any type of matches or lighter or anything like that, just using these things?
These things? Yeah. The cotton ball? No.
Yeah. Okay, check this out. So we take a little
dangerous
piece of the cotton, just like this.
A little?
Just like that.
Just a little more.
Now look, stick it down.
Please don't blow up. Is it gonna blow up?
No. Alright, watch.
I can't because I'm so terrified.
You just put this down in here like this.
Well, you're pretty close to it.
Watch.
Whoa! That was crazy!
Cool, right?
Very cool. Okay, yeah, I want to try it.
That's one time deal.
Okay.
Alright, so I reset it so you can try it. All you have to do is just slam your hand down hard on it, okay? And watch right here.
And this is not a prank, right?
No, it's not a prank.
Okay.
This is a trick. Check it out.
Like you just did it.
Yeah, slam it down. You gotta do it hard. Really hard. There you go. See it?
That was cool.
Nice.
That's a strange contraption
I know,
to make
it's cool. It's called a fire syringe. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. Okay, here is the secret to the fire syringe. When you slam this down, you can see it kind of creates smoke right there.
Yeah.
It doesn't work every single time. You have to really slam it. The air inside this tube is getting compressed so much, like when this piston comes down like this, and it compresses that air right there, that air gets so hot that it combusts the cotton that is in the bottom of it. Whenever air gets compressed like that, it gets very hot. And this is the same way that a diesel car engine works. Watch the bowl on the table. We'll just light it up like this. Now check it out. The flames in the bowl begin to magically change color. This is happening because of different sulfates and chlorides in this powder that cause the flames to change colors. You can see it burns a really brilliant blue and green color. Okay, check out this really cool cup trick. You can see I have a cup about half full of water here. If I just light the edge of the cup on fire, watch what happens. Oh, it burned out. We need more power. See now, thanks to the Elon Musk Boring Company Flamethrower, the cup melts away, all except for the portion that has liquid in it. So the rest of the cup is completely gone, and it leaves only the bit that has water in it. Okay, Ava, think of any number between 1 and 10. Random numbers, say it out loud.
Okay. 9.
9? Okay, so you could have thought of any number between 1 and 10. I did not influence you in any way, right?
No.
Okay, so check this out. I have in my pocket a lighter. Light it up like this. I want you to look into the flame and think about the number that you just thought of in your mind. Visualize the number right there in the fire. Watch if I just... A 9 magically appears on my hand. Is that your number? Magic. you're going to need a grill lighter like this, and then here's how you're going to set up the reveal of the number on your palm. So it really is a free choice. They can choose any number, and what's happening is you're actually secretly writing it on your palm right in front of their face. Here's how we're doing it. I'm going to teach you how to create a boon writer. That is a magic thumb tip that has the tip of a pen attached to it. We're going to take a standard Sharpie marker. We want to cut off the little bit of plastic right there as well, so we have something to hold on to. So if you're a kid, obviously you need an adult's help with this. You're going to cut off the tip of the marker right there using your Dremel tool or your saw. Now we're going to take the tip of the marker and hot glue it onto our thumb tip. Also, if you don't have a magic thumb tip, I'm going to give some away at the end of the video, or you can pick one up at evanera.tv.com. It's like a magician's best friend. Everybody should have one. So now that you have the tip glued onto the thumb, you are ready to go. All you have to do is casually hold your hands like this and position the thumb tip right over your palm. Whenever they say the name of the card, the number, or the letter that they're thinking of, you can quickly just jot it onto your hand. Now you want to practice writing with this, so you get to where the handwriting looks pretty legible. So now once you have the number on your hand, you're going to conceal this from the audience. You want to hold it like this so they don't see the number yet. You don't want to reveal that yet. You're going to hold the lighter like this upright. Now as your hand comes up it, you're going to release the trigger so that the flame turns off. So you tell them to think about their number and visualize it right here inside the flame. So you slide your hand up, release the trigger at the proper time, give it a little squeeze, and reveal the number that they thought of on the palm of your hand. It's going to absolutely blow their mind. And if you want to get real crazy so that the tip of your boon doesn't dry out, you can Dremel down the top of the marker cap so that you can cap it off and it will remain fresh. And just like that, I create a magic floating fireball. It looks so amazing. Look at that. It looks like it's just floating in midair. Dowel rod, lamp wicks, stapler, lighter fluid. Take the lamp wick and attach it to the end of the dowel rod using the staple gun. Roll it around just like this. And staple in place. And you're going to soak the lamp wick with the lighter fuel. This is a very angle sensitive trick, so you want to make sure that the dowel rod is pointed directly towards your audience, and you're going to tuck it right underneath your armpit. And we're going to light it up, and it really looks like I've just created a floating fireball that is just levitating in midair. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And you can learn cool new magic tricks like these every single week. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 7 magic thumb tips to 7 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win, be subscribed to Evanera TV and leave a comment in the comment section. That's it. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Instructions to claim your prize are in the description of this video. Congratulations to our winners. Until next time, check out the last episode of How To Magic right up here. And remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.